Worried about someone snooping around your Google account? Let's lock it down. This video will walk you through logging out of your Google account on any device in under 90 seconds. First, let's tackle logging out on a computer. Head to any Google service, like Gmail or YouTube. Look for your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out. And just like that, you're signed out on your computer. Now, let's move on to smartphones and tablets. The process is similar on Android and iOS devices. Open the Gmail app. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will slide up from the bottom. Scroll down, and you'll find the Sign Out option. Tap Sign Out. You might be asked to confirm your decision. Simply tap Sign Out again to confirm. Remember, this will sign you out of all Google apps on that device. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Google account across all your devices. This ensures your privacy and keeps your personal information secure, especially when using shared computers or devices. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.